Bhai, for the most of the episode, everyone will be thinking I have it together, and last में सबको पता चलेगा Mani is the one who has it together. If you've directly come to this one, this is a part 2. There's a part 1 that we'll try to link so that you all can
In the description.
watch that first, or you can directly watch this actually. Tune in. But please watch it. Either of the both, this just watch us.
When I was 20, I was not chasing growth because I didn't know that I'm gonna do product forever or like for the near future. I didn't know that startups pay you this much, corporates pay you this much. I just thought startups are paying me and corporates wouldn't. Startups would pay a hustler.
Because you're also degree didn't align with what
My degree didn't align. So startups would pay a hustler. They don't care where you come from.
They don't, and that's
the beauty of
best part about startups.
I agree. But I couldn't get into a big four starting from my college and stuff like that. So I was like, "Arey, मुझे पैसे दे रहे हो अब दो." And like for the 6 months, I couldn't grasp that you will pay me X amount, even though that amount would be meager.
Yeah.
But that you would pay me X amount of money month on month because you grow up thinking, this will be your degree, so you'll be sitting in placements and then you'll be earning this much. None of what my degree was aligned with what I ended up doing. So I was like, you're giving money. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. Thank you.
I think it's also part of the mindset that's instilled upon you with people who you are around. Is आपके around people who are there कि जिनके उठे बोल रहे हैं now we're gonna do masters and then we'll get this. Now we're gonna do masters and you're like, okay, I'm already earning. And they are probably slightly smarter folks who are like, they learn when they do masters. And I'm already learning. So for me, I think because I was around, of course, engineers and I did an engineering degree, everyone started earning right around my time. I probably started earning full time like 6 months before everyone.
Correct.
Or 6-8 months before everyone. But it was still like, okay, everyone's around the same package,
or
slightly
like
more.
Around we doing
or slightly more and stuff, right? So I was like, whatever I was earning from day one, I felt like I deserved.
Nice.
That earning.
Nice.
It was just. And because I think what we were discussing, right? I think I have a mindset of abundance. कि बहुत है टच छोड़ सकते जैसे मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बोला कि I don't want to get richer. So I feel I have a mindset of abundance. So what happens with that mindset, I think, is you start feeling, yes, I deserve this and I deserve to spend this and I deserve to get it.
Correct. I don't think I come from that mindset. I think I come from, like, I'd love to develop that mindset and I'm trying really hard to develop that mindset because it's a quality that I admire in you and it's a quality that I admire in people. But I think I come organically, subconsciously from a scarcity mindset because...
And that's a quality I admire.
I think people should have...
a mix of... Basically, if you are one, your partner should be the other.
Your partner should be the other.
Or...
Always.
Varna both would be really weird. Because imagine 2 people just spending on a woman.
Or 2 people just constantly
saving and like not spending at all.
Correct. So I still come from a scarcity mindset. It's something that I should actively work on. But I think my thought process about money is that, I have X. And if I'm spending, it's going to be X minus 1. Not realizing that next month it could be X plus 10.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So I'm still earning plus 9 in a way. It's not the way my brain is mathing. My brain is just mathing. It's just doing the math in the way that अब तो कमी हो गया, अब तो कमी तो नहीं कर दिया, अब तो कमी, अब तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता इसका.
And how I think is, if I want something, so what I feel is like, I am not, so why am I working? To get happiness and be able to afford things I want.
Correct.
So anytime I feel like I want something, and I know if I have that much in my bank account, I will feel like I want to buy it.
Correct.
Because that's the only reason I'm working so much.
Yeah.
I don't have, if there is something, if my mom says that she wants this and she feels it's too expensive, I feel like I am working so I can buy my mom expensive things.
Correct.
Like if she wants a Estee Lauder perfume, she deserves it because I am earning that much at this point that I can give it to her. And if I can't, then why am I working? Then I literally go on a thought, अगर मैं वो परफ्यूम नहीं अफोर्ड कर पा रही तो मैं काम क्यों कर रही हूँ? फिर तो गलत है.
If I can't
fulfill my mom's wishes. हाँ, मेरे लिए it becomes, for example,
baseline.
हाँ, if I have to think twice over making the people that I love around me happy.
Yeah.
Or if I have to think twice before I spend on myself.
Yeah.
Then why am I spending for me it's not easy to think like I am earning money today for 20 years later.
Yeah. You don't think that way?
No, at all. I can't imagine that. For me, I feel like मैंने जो भी मेरे अकाउंट में है वो मेरी अभी की हैप्पीनेस के लिए है. Okay, and the only investments that I do and the reason I do them is because it's standard. It's something you should do.
Yeah. But it can also grow your money.
And it can grow your money.
Yeah.
But I also feel like वो जो कहते हैं ना लोग कि इतना परसेंटेज डाल दो उतना परसेंटेज डाल दो या ओके आई एम नॉट गोना डू दिस फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम नॉट गोना बाय दिस बिकॉज दिस मनी इफ आई पुट इन दिस इट विल गेट दिस मच कि यार अभी ये क्यों खरीदना है अगर ये 50,000 की चीज़ का अगर एफडी में या किसी चीज़ में इन्वेस्ट किया तो 1 लाख हो जाएगा 2 साल में वो नहीं मुझे लगता है अगर अभी कुछ चीज़ पसंद आ रही है तो ले लो. बहुत मेरे को मतलब I am actually trying to get a mindset where I start feeling like investing for my future, start feeling not to spend so much on a whim and all these, because I think as you grow this is something you have to learn.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to learn and somehow I'm getting there, but I also feel yeah, if I'm earning, no, it's for like financial independence. It is literally the term.
No, because you need to feel that independence. Technically, if you think about it, very again baseline explanation. अगर आप and I'm a victim of this, but अगर आप कुछ 50,000 का ट्रिप नहीं लगा रहे हो, ये सोच के कि वो मैं 50,000 FD या म्यूचुअल्स में डाल दूंगी, so you are not independent with your money.
हाँ, but मुझे यही लगता है.
Like you're not making an independent choice. You are making a future dependent choice.
मेरी मन की whatever I was feeling has been put into words perfectly. And so, honestly, we spoke about these 2 words, having a scarcity mindset and having an abundance mindset. So, you know how introvert, extrovert, and there's a middle, ambivert. Do you think in दोनों का भी कुछ middle होता है? Because that's where people should be. What's the word for that? Is there a word?
We can create one and we can copyright one.
You understand why? Because like how introverts, extroverts both have their pros and cons, and one person is either of the 2. But I think eventually we all become ambiverts.
And we need to, like, to survive.
But I think eventually, being an extrovert is very problematic at times. So you have to end up become an ambivert, where you're like, okay, sometimes I'll be an extrovert, some places I need to know and like become an introvert.
Yeah.
And similarly, like all introverts are like, okay, some places we have to become an extrovert. I think eventually we're all moving towards with time and with brain cells becoming ambiverts.
The middle point between scarcity and abundance mindset will come with financial independence.
So are we not financially independent?
No, we are. We are. But my point is that that's a prerequisite to begin with.
So are you telling financially independence is जब आप 50 साल के लिए भी सिक्योर हो गए और फिर आपका मनी अभी स्पेंड कर सकते हो तो दोनों चीज़ हो गई.
50 साल का सिक्योरिटी में भी नहीं.
तो कब तक का सिक्योरिटी?
I think so. I'm not this way where I can't think of next week. I would rarely, and I hate doing this. Basically, money is a really sensitive topic for me. Like every time I check my bank account,
I'm so proud of you for doing this then.
Like money is a super, like I can't check my bank account statements often. I can't check मेरा mutual fund कितना कम हो रहा है कितना बढ़ रहा है मेरे stocks कितने कम हो रहे हैं कितने बढ़ रहे हैं this much I've given in FT. So
you can't check and I don't check.
I can't check.
And I don't check.
If I check, it'll give me anxiety. So
I don't check because I'm not thinking about it at all at any point of my life or day.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I should aspire to be like.
I am trying to. I am genuinely feeling like. ये कह रही है कि मैं चेक नहीं करती हूँ मुझे पसंद नहीं है मैं
सोचा ही नहीं.
I am feeling like I should check, become more mindful of it. मैं कह रही दोनों का बीच का. Exactly where you should be.
Where my beach ka right now is, and why I'm saying this is because you said that you can't think of next week.
Yeah.
I don't think that I can also think of like 50 years down the line because I feel like I'm also young to think of 50 years down the line. And
honestly, yeah. You sort of tweet. Ashley tweeted on Twitter, right? Yeah. That Friends episode.
Yeah.
So basically, the tweet goes, and correct me if I'm going wrong, but the tweet goes that in the Friends first episode was shot when all of them were 25. So if you're feeling like you're running out of time, just think of that.
You're in the first season of Friends.
Yeah, and then that's so crazy to think. Because we at least
we're doing better than they are. I'm doing better than Rachel is, and Rachel is the love of my life.
Yeah, and mine is Monica.
Really? Yeah. Because you're a lot like Rachel actually, and I relate a lot to Monica. Swap हो गया थोड़ा. The person you aspire to be now is a change.
हाँ जी, वही हो गया.
हाँ. Anyway, so but I have let's say mid-term goals. For example, I don't think about buying a house, okay? It's not an aspiration for me.
Yeah.
Like, I wanna,
What is?
like, I want to fund my wedding
Oh.
fully.
So many people I know have this.
Or as much as I can, basically. Of course,
I am a Marwadi. We can't have an aspiration of funding our wedding.
I'm a Punjabi.
Our weddings go mad crazy. And I was the first one in my family in this generation almost to get
married.
So
Yeah.
I couldn't have thought of this.
But I really wanna, of course, the guy can do whatever we decide on.
Yeah.
And I don't want a very grand wedding also, so maybe that helps my aspiration.
Yeah.
But I want to fund my wedding. And I want to
That's
be...
such a nice.
So which is a mid-term goal. कि मुझे अगले X years में करना ही है. It's not कि मुझे X करोड़ रुपए जमा करके घर लेना है. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So
But it's
that...
almost similar though.
Agreed.
क्योंकि क्या होता है I don't think the amount of what you want decides how big of a goal it is. It's how much you want it that decides how big of a goal it is.
Elaborate. Elaborate.
Elaborate. And I think it's for me, but then maybe what you were saying is right for you. But how I think and I perceive things is, it's not the price of, let's say, this glass that will decide how important it is to me, but how much I feel it's important to me.
Right.
So if you feel that wedding is what you want,
Yeah.
then that wedding is equal to house.
Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah.
So then it's the same thing, no? There's no difference.
Fair.
एक ही बात है basically what I was trying to say.
Yeah, I was just thinking the weddings are slightly cheaper.
But doesn't matter.
Than,
An aspiration is an aspiration. कोई aspiration छोटी बड़ी नहीं होती. कोई काम छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता.
Or like I never want to rely on anybody else for my travels. I want to continue funding my own travels. Always.
I think for me it's, and it's so common and people make reels about it and people tell it casually, but generally for me it is not thinking twice before buying things I love and spending on people and things I love. Like not thinking twice. And abhi I try not to think twice, but फिर भी कुछ चीज़ों में I have to think twice. I want to get where I genuinely do not want to think
मेरा
twice.
तो आ जाता है भाई और मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद.
And then some mad, like I don't want to be at a point where I can give Gucci to everyone I love. Right?
Of course you want to be at a point.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Of course you want to be at a... Sorry, we just keep doing touch wood over that.
But yeah, of course I want to be, but like when I say
that's not an aspiration.
That's not an aspiration. My aspiration is generally like if I want to give everyone stuff, I don't have to think twice. Like if I'm going to meet someone, 1,000 रुपए की कुछ gift लेके जा रही हूँ, it's not a big thing for me. But
yeah,
and I think I'm almost getting there. I want to be there.
Yeah.
But I think for people I love.
Financially anyway.
Financially I'm there. I think mindset wise also I want to be there, and I don't want to feel it's something that's not justified with what I'm making.
Yeah.
Or justified with the kind of life I have.
Yeah. I think what really defines, or like it's a giveaway that oh you might be now financially independent, is when you're randomly gifting your loved one stuff.
हाँ यार मेरे लिए it's that.
Like,
I think it's that.
You're going with a friend and you're like, मैं pay कर दूँगा. Or if there's no birthday, no New Year, no Diwali, you're like, no mom, I liked it so I got it for you. Like it's very, things that are genuinely mindless because I look at this Lego set and I'm like, oh Riya will love this Lego set so I will buy it even if Riya's birthday 6 months down the line. And not think 6 महीने बाद मैं Riya को ये दे सकती हूँ क्योंकि इसका birthday.
Yeah. And I also don't want, and it's pretty much not there in me, but I also want to make sure I don't have it, is that इसके लिए मैं कुछ और लेसर का कुछ ले सकती हूँ क्या? हाँ. कभी-कभी लगता है ना कि यार 600 का कुछ 400 का ले लेते हैं उसके लिए.
I think we don't do it for our loved ones.
We don't want to do it for them.
But we do it. I do it for myself. Like if I'm looking at a 1,000 rupee thing,
yeah.
So I will try to find a 800 rupee thing.
I don't do it for my loved ones and I don't do it for myself.
यार
नहीं यार ऐसा लग रहा है रोल मॉडल है but नहीं है. Trust me. Because I'll tell you. Because when I'm in conversations with let's say you or a couple of my friends, right? A lot of people, very few people can I relate to, and most of the time I'm just feeling guilty, genuinely. कि ये लोग सब इन्वेस्टमेंट्स के बारे में सोच रहे हैं, ये लोग सब अपने फ्यूचर के बारे में सोच रहे हैं, ये लोग सबको पता है ये लोग टैक्स कैसे सेव करने वाले हैं, बट और मैं क्या सोच रही हूँ, ओ मुझे खुशी कैसे मिलेगी. भाई हाँ आप डिजायर कर रहे हो ये, मुझे कितनी बार गिल्टी फील हो रहा था यार, मुझे सब सोचना चाहिए, मुझे सब सोचना चाहिए, मुझे सब सोचना चाहिए.
But I think that's the middle point that you're talking about between scarcity.
Yeah,
and
I want to
abundance.
get
because that comes with, I think, just creating habits. For example, the scarcity habit everyone should have is that I know that this amount, let's say 100 rupees is coming from my salary every month, then I know that 30 out of those 100 is going somewhere to be invested every month. So I know that what I have is just
So
70.
just doing that much is enough.
Yeah,
Sure.
depends on
Give me on paper some CA. Come comment and tell me on paper.
Depends on what you want in life. Again, depends on what you're saving for, what your
Yeah.
aspiration is, blah blah blah. But that's a bare minimum baseline to begin with. And the abundance mindset is having one shock that you don't think twice about. That can be clothes, that's shoes.
Then you have that.
I have shoes.
You have travel also.
Shoes and travel.
You do. Then you have it in the perfect middle ground then.
Maybe.
Why? For the most of the episode, everyone will be thinking I have it together, and last में सबको पता चलेगा. Mani is the one who has it together.
But what I'm saying is that have some shock that you don't think twice about. Like when I'm spending on travel or I'm spending on shoes, I genuinely think that there's nothing else I spend on. Like I don't spend that much on makeup. I don't spend that much on clothes because I like keep reusing my wardrobe.
Yeah.
Or like I do shopping once in like 6 months. कि अब तो ज़रूरत ही पड़ गया या कुछ करना है. But when I need to buy a pair of shoes.
She is the one who has it together. So much clarity, planning.
इतना भी नहीं होना चाहिए. Yeah. But yeah.
What? So the conclusion is one, to get a middle ground.
Yes.
Do all of these. Financial independence is also mindset concept, right? And 3. Actually, before we come to ending this episode, I want to talk about one thing. What is one thing you've done since you've started making money that you're the most proud of?
I got a car.
Oh wow! I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Oh wow! Nice.
Yeah. उसका मुझे बहुत दुख होता है उसका EMI जब कटता है. लगता है शायद नहीं लेते तो चल जाता. What was yours?
When it was my parents' 25th anniversary, I got both of them diamond rings
Oh.
and their 25th anniversary honeymoon to Maldives.
Oh, that's so fair.
Yeah.
Was it the anniversary where they remarried? and
Yeah. They got engaged and everything.
Cutest, by the way.
Yeah. So that is, I think, something I feel like every time I think about. When I think, like, oh wait, I should have had this much savings. Why is it like so many lakhs lesser?
Yeah.
I always think, why वो मैंने वो कर दिया था ना यार, crazy तो था वो करना.
Yeah, and then they'll always remember. Like you will continue growing in your
Dude, I
career.
spent my first salary meaning, I would like to say, internship stipend was 7,000. First ever internship stipend.
Why is it called stipend and not salary? Man?
Because 7,000 is not worth being
Calling
called salary. But when I got the 7,000 stipend, I spent it on sending my parents to, I think, Ambi Valley, which is a small place near Bombay, to go for a trip, a weekend getaway to Ambi Valley.
Wow.
7,000, booked 2 nights
Yeah.
in a really good resort.
Nice.
Like, oh, and then that's what I spent. And then when I told my manager back then that I spent it on this, he sent my parents a bouquet.
Wow, so cute.
Shout out to Nikhil from Foreign Admits, who was my first ever.
If you're watching Nikhil, I wouldn't mind you subscribing also, by the way.
But yeah, I think this is a good time to, like, we've discussed a lot of things,
Yeah.
which I feel like are not being talked about anywhere.
I just think that when you think about financial independence or whatever's out there also, like
It's also from a very male perspective, na?
it's I don't
कि
think
fire number होना चाहिए, fire number,
Yeah.
50-60 years, retirement plan, all of this.
मैं शरण की वीडियोस में देख सकती हूँ. Sorry, Sharan.
But
if you're
every
watching,
financial independence conversation is like this.
no, I think even the women that I find talking about financial independence are people who are influencers and creators. And the way that you get financially independent in a content creation role is very different to a
Yeah.
internship corporate role,
Of course.
right? So
What we make in a year, they probably make in 1 or 2 brand deals.
I agree. I agree. My heart is officially
So,
broken. Right, but the point is that for them, achieving financial independence comes naturally.
Easier.
If they've gotten it, of course.
Yeah.
If they're struggling creators also. Hi, working with coffee. But if they have...
if we achieve whatever we spoke about as our goals through this, crazy हो जाएगा.
हो जाएगा.
है ना? Like imagine Notion telling us, I want to fund you all.
Notion? Why Notion?
हमारी ऑडियंस यूज कर सकती है Notion.
Fair.
हमारी ऑडियंस नहीं का यूज कर सकती
You know something very cool that Lenny...
हमारी ऑडियंस सबसे ज्यादा पता है कमेंट किससे रिलेट करेगी? ब्लिस क्लब. ब्लिस क्लब शुड फंड अस टुडे.
I work in a VC. We have invested in Bliss Club.
Bliss Club should invest in us. Because look at it, our audience is what? Going to the gym also probably. Working out
Hopefully.
also, managing home, doing multitasking audience.
Hopefully.
So, Bliss Club audience.
We can wear Bliss Club stuff and then...
Shoot.
Awesome, cool. Thank you for tuning in. This has been great. Riya, do you have any words of wisdom to end this episode?
Please comment ideas that you all want us to make.
Wow, I was
stuff
about to
on.
say don't chase financial independence, attract financial independence.
And I think this is my way of attracting it.
Comment कर लो, इसका बहुत practical में है.
But I genuinely want to know what you all are liking and things you all want us to create on. And how does it feel to like listen to us? Yeah. What is everything that we're able to... Basically, I want to do a product and market research.
थोड़ा अगर feedback दे देते हैं.
Genuine feedback.
तो अच्छा लगता.
अच्छा लगता.
हम आप इनसे बुरा नहीं मानते यार.
Hi guys, thank you so much. Next episode coming very soon.